I have here a Triwing small screwdriver set. I'm gonna open this up so you can see all of the different stuff that it comes with. You can see here it's got several different screwdrivers along with some accessories to help aid in repairing electronics. So these are color coded. So the orange tips here are going to be the Triwings, and then these two red ones here are Phillips. So for the Triwings, we've got 1.5, 2.5, and 3.0. And the Phillips, there is a double-aught and a triple-aught. There are two other wrenches in here. There's a G3.8 and a G4.5 style wrench. The accessories, it comes with two plastic pry bars, a brush, some tweezers, a suction cup and a SIM card tool, a microfiber cloth, and then on the very bottom here is a little magnetic grid piece to help keep your screws attached from rolling all over. And then over here we have a magnetizer tool, as well as a couple of guitar picks to help spread pieces apart as well. This case keeps things nice and tidy. It's got a spot for everything here, so you know exactly where all of the tools are. So you can see here on the case the different colors and what type of bit they are for. And then over here you can see there are different types of sets as well. And then I'll show on the back and tell what each of the different types actually are for. So on the back here, it's telling all of the different types. Type A is going to be for iPhones and similar products. Type B is going to be for MacBooks and similar products. Type C is for PlayStation and Xbox. And then type D, which is what this one is, this is for Nintendo and Sega products. All of these do list what contents and actual screwdrivers come with them. You don't have to use it specifically with what it says it goes for. It's just a generic, if you need to work on that kind of product, that's the type you're probably going to want to get. Right here I have the Y2.5 and the Nintendo Joy-Con controller. These screws use this Y2.5 style head, and this is going to be perfect for taking this Joy-Con apart and making it so I can work on this Joy-Con. So here I'm able to get this first screw out just like that. And a nice thing about these screwdrivers is they've got a nice pivot point up here so you can press it against your hand, and then it's got some grip right here so you can hold it tight and spin it even while pushing firmly into the screw. This Triwing screwdriver set worked perfect for working on my Nintendo Joy-Con here. This is the set that is designed for Nintendo and Sega style products. So this is perfect for working on this stuff. It's got everything I needed, and it's got this really nice case that keeps things organized and makes it really portable and easy to move. So this is going to be a great screwdriver if you need to work on any kind of electronic product.